Hello guys! So nga po pala, mag-makeup tayo gamit ang polvo. And then mag-iipit muna po tayo nito. Let's go! Wala naman ito.
Gamit ang sulot, kailangan lang naman, ha? Kasama sa buhay. 12 hours ka. Paano makalaban yung tayo ng tatas?
Ganyan yung hair look muna natin. Hindi pa tayo makakapag-ayos. So, Tagalog tayo ngayon, dati English. Lahat pa yung pang-brush. Kaya, yung kamay na lang.
Sobrang sakit. Relax na. Relax deals with the real cause of pain. Good kill.
Gagano'n po ako.
Sobrang sakit.
Nakikita pa talaga.
Protection. Sarap pag-grocery.
Dito magpatangos sa ilang. Ganyan.
Relax na. Relax deals with the cause of pain. Good kill. Sobrang sakit. Panatagsak ka ng Oxygen o Relax na. Rheumatic and body pain protection.
Natin.
Introducing Opico Supremo Puro Gabi, crafted from spring coffee beans. Roasted.
So, masyadong namumula.
Matapang, suave. The taste of success.
Wait lang, wala ko na lipstick.
Matapang, pero suave.
Everyday bumubuhat ha? Hindi ka kasi ng conditioner. Cream Silk Vitamin Boost Conditioners has 10 times more vitamins for up to 10 times straighter hair that gets more beautiful every day. Cream Silk now 30% more. Happy flow day? Let's go with the flow. Thanks to Char's Vitamin C for heavy flow that's longer, body soft. So the quick
Lipstick natin.
details. Char's Vitamin Napkins for heavy flow.